Hi, I'm Zaneta. I'm from Medtronic company. We are part of Credit Services Department in Prague in Czech Republic. And we came over here from Czech Republic, actually.
Hi, Brett Keane from Medtronic also, and traveled from Prague.
Actually, we are just, I would say, humble people who has been honored to take over this amazing prize for our Cash App team in Prague, Cash App team North America. And yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. We don't take it for granted that we will submit a nomination which reflects the whole year hard effort of our team. But I have to say, like, we are super honored that we can be here, represent Medtronic, represent Credit Services Prague team, and take this wonderful award on behalf of Cash Application North America team.
And the only thing I'd add to that is well done, Hillary, who's the person whose team won the award.
It's been 6 years in row when we are attending Callisto Grant conference, and we actually attended the first one, at least from my end, in 2017 in Krakow. So now 2023 Krakow again. So definitely having wonderful memories, and yeah, it's a great event where are all people who are working in credit services all over the world. So it's been always a pleasure to come over and network with the people and talk what are their challenges and if are the same or if there are some new technologies coming into the industry. So that's perfect experience.
And for me, it's just about sense checking what is going on in the industry, and obviously the networking opportunities with all our colleagues in the industry.